you! Oh my God, Morgan. I am so
That was
sorry.
a lot. That's really gross.
I didn't know that was coming. I really didn't mean to do it.
Ew,
Yeah,
that's kinda rude.
I'm kind of feeling sick. Like,
Oh.
I couldn't really help it.
Sorry, do you want me to make you soup or something?
Morgan,
What?
I didn't actually sneeze. Look.
That was the biggest sneeze spray I've literally ever felt in my life. Ew.
You're way too nice.
I felt bad. You're not feeling well.
I'm fine.
Well then.
No!